Time is of the essence and we need to get the steak to the hospital quickly. The ER team are being briefed on the condition of the steak. More tests are being done and IV attached with garlic butter. The team then consults with the head surgeon. The head surgeon confirms nothing more can be done here and that the steak urgently needs to be delivered to Lass's kitchen.
When the ribeye arrived, we immediately dispositioned it to our steak repair facility and injected a mixture of beef broth and a standard Weber steak rub. We filter out any seasoning from the broth so we have a nice smooth liquid to inject. As you can see, we use very little, about 5 or 6 milliliters total, as we want to infuse moisture and taste, but not drown the steak.
Yes, as you can see, each shot is about 1/2 to 1 ml. It is important to try to get good coverage all over the steak.
We always buy high-end meats, but occasionally receive steaks like this one that can make a great appetizer, such as thinly sliced ribeye with a yummy sweet horseradish dipping sauce. Also, if we inject beef, we generally increase the temperature up to well done so we retain flavor but not too much moisture. Otherwise, we treat it like any other steak and keep it at room temperature prior to grilling, and we always give it a good salt and Weber rub.
We start low and slow and sear at the end on a gas grill. And here it is, an absolute beauty. Smells and looks fantastically delicious. Now for that important first cut to see the result.
Wow, this looks, smells, and even tastes close to a steak twice the price. As you can see, we let the temperature past 150 degrees and serve this well done. But you can also see that it has retained a wonderful level of moisture. As Katie said, this makes for an awesome appetizer with a fantastic dipping sauce. Or you can add it to pasta or salads. So versatile. Big thanks to the team at Lass's Kitchen as usual. And if you enjoy our videos, please subscribe. See you again soon. Bye now and Happy New Year.